Shubha Labha Shri Gothuli Bala about to begin very soon. Ma Mahakali, Ma Bhadrakali, Ma Shmashan Kali. Being the embodiment of Adya Shakti, with her counterpart, the Supreme Incorporeal Father, Godfather, her being incorporeal Godmother and incorporeal Godfather, Sadashiv Mahakal, Veerbhadra, Shmashan Mahakal. When we have read about Ma Mahakali's understanding of how she is represented with respect to different aspects based on quantum spiritual scientific explanations, we understand infinite things about her embodiment as Ma Mahakali, Bhadrakali, Shmashan Mahakali. With Shmashan Mahakal, Veerbhadra Mahakal being reciprocal, infinite and infinity energies celebrated as Ardhanga and Ardhangini. We understand so many things about Ma Mahakali and Ma Mahakal. Since an early childhood, whenever I have seen Ma's photograph, each and every time, being a little child, being an adolescent, being a youth, and now the mother of the youth, who is 22 years of age, into his MTech in computer science engineering, specifically with cybersecurity and Internet of Things, with many spectral dimensions of expertise of his own choice. My Swargya Baba never forced me into anything, neither did I to my son, my child. Right, so whenever personally I have seen Ma Mahakali, she represents as the parent, the infinite parent of absolute, perfect representation of being the Supreme Mother and the Supreme Father into one, infinite and infinity, in benignly blessing and booning infinite and infinity with Sneha, Vatsalya, Karuna. She is Ma Mahakali. And when we understand Ma Shmashan Kali and Shmashan Mahakal, Ma Shmashan Kali, Shmashan Bhumi. For instance, Ma Annapurna Parvati, Raman Vallabh, Srikash Vishwanath, Manikarnika Ghat, wherein the human entities of Panchabhuta are being burnt on the sacred, most pious, holiest pyre of the last rites, when in the form of the sacred fire, Agni, being evoked, and each and every Panchabhuta of the human mortal is being point back to, is being adorned to. Bij, Moola, Prakriti, Ananta, Shri Anantakoti Brahmanda Adhishthatri Radha. In utmost gratitude by the inhabitant, the occupant, the occupancy, the inhabitant as the human Atma Chitta Satya Atman, simultaneously with the subtle body, to prove the purpose of being righteous, courageous, valorous, awakened, illuminant, enlightened human race, righteous and celibate primarily, at all the ages of one's growing up with respect to the time cycle that exists on our sacred, holiest, most pious, powerful Mother Earth, in abundance of each and everything, being benignly blessed to each and every species as the occupants of earth, being earthlings. And when we understand about Ma Shmashan Mahakali and Shmashan Mahakal, it's unexplainable. Being Shmashan, the place of paying back with utmost gratitude to each and every atomic representation within the Panchabhuta mortal of human beings, back to Moola Prakriti, Parama Shakti, Param Prakriti, Radha, the Shmashan, the infinite, Ma Shmashan Mahakali, who has placed both of her lotus feet on the infinite golden petaled lotus of perfect, absolute awakened Krishna, Mahakali, Maha Shmashan Kali, conscience into perfect cognition to Krishna, consciousness as the infinite golden petal lotus that is being on the body, on the immortal, not body, it's a slang word to be used here, the immortal, supreme incorporeal Godfather, Sadashiv as Shmashan Mahakal, being present to let Ma Shmashan Mahakali place both of her lotus feet on him, embodiment of the infinite universe, to let the creation be upholded by Shmashan Mahakal, the trident Trishula, Tamas, Rajas, Sattva, being absolutely the supreme power to let the creation endeavor, prarambha, begin arambha, and Ma Shmashan Mahakali, wherein she stands on the infinite as Sadashiv Shmashan Mahakal, absolutely rejoiced and blissfulness permeated as being the infinity. Ma Shmashan Mahakali's left hand, straight Vardhan Mudra. Left hand side, another hand upside down, Abhaya Mudra. Now, fearlessness, and upright, straight hand of the left hand side, Abhaya Datri. Well, Ma's right hand side is our left hand side when we see Ma, right? So it is about the perspective, how we visualize Ma. Ma's right hand side, the infinite sickle with the crimson blood smeared droplet of that blood is the annihilation, apocalypse of each and every satanic energy in the infinite. On the symbolizes the hand that holds the sickle with blood smeared, and the droplet of blood is being seen as the annihilation of all satanic energies. The bowl that Ma upholds, that is being shown full of water. The bowl that Ma's right hand side hand holds is the dark matter that Ma, as Ma Shmashan Kali, Shmashan Bhumi to be understood as the infinite space for the origination to be allowed and commanded by Ma Shmashan Mahakali, as Adya Shakti being impersonified by the supreme grace of Radha, Moola, Bija, infinite and infinity, Prakriti, to be commanded and allowed as the bowl, the infinite bowl, the infinite bowl that beholds the infinity as the dark matter being shown as blood, that Ma Shmashan Kali holds with that comprises of an infinite circumference, is the dark matter, the creation that is yet to be allowed and commanded by Ma Shmashan Mahakali to origin with absolute, perfect sacredness, piousness, purity, holiness, being each and every creation to be holiest, most sacred, purest, the most powerful, devoid, annihilated exuberation of each and every satanic energies. Ma is holding that bowl. That's how we understand Ma Shmashan Mahakali and Shmashan Mahakal. Personally, I, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.